How to add Discord link to YouTube channel. Let's get started. Launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the left corner, you're going to find different servers. Now head towards the server whose link you want to share. Then click on this add friend icon. You'll get the link. Then click on this settings icon. Make sure you have set the link settings expire after to never. After you set it, click on save. Again, copy it, then close it. Now launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in YouTube Studio and then search for it. Now, navigate to the very first one website option, studio.youtube.com. You'll be directed to your channel dashboard page. Now, at the left corner, you're going to find different icons. Click on this one icon, customization. Now, here you will find different options. Scrolling down, you'll find this section of links. Click on the option Add Link. In the link title, type in Discord. And in the URL, paste the link. Once you do that, you can click on the option of Save. And just with that, Discord link will be added to your YouTube channel. So this is how you can easily add Discord link to your YouTube channel. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.